My fellow seniors, discover an incredible YouTube playlist designed just for you. Are you a senior eager to understand technology better? Look no further. This playlist offers clear and simple explanations on essential tech topics. From mastering your smartphone to navigating social media to learning how to stay safe on the internet, each video is crafted to make learning enjoyable and stress-free. Many of the episodes cover step-by-step cybersecurity instructions, so you don't fall for the common traps waiting to lure seniors into revealing their precious data. These tips are designed to prevent you from becoming a victim of cybercrime. New episodes are available every Monday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Always free to use for any educational endeavor. Empower yourself with knowledge and confidence. Dive into these helpful videos today and embrace the digital world with ease. Signing up for our free newsletter at techforsenior.com would be appreciated, though not required. Just follow the link listed. Start your tech journey now and unlock endless possibilities. You can reach the playlist via the following link. If you like these educational videos, join us as a regular Tech for Senior member. All the details are on our website. I've listed the link below.